How to take scrolling screenshots on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to enable a scrolling screenshot feature on your Android. To do that, launch Settings. Scroll down. Navigate to Additional Settings option. Now scroll down. Look for Screenshots and tap to open it. And here you will see different kinds of screenshots, that is 3-finger swipe down, 3-finger touch and hold, which will help you to take a partial or scrolling screenshots, and power and volume down buttons. Simply make sure to turn on the button for 3-finger touch and hold. Now whenever you tap and hold on your empty space or anywhere, you can easily take a screenshot with the help of rectangle, ellipse or freeform diagram or by drawing it. So let's choose ellipse and then take a screenshot. Now you can easily modify it using different kinds of markup, pixel it and crop to shape or mode edit options. Once done, tap check mark at top right. And you will successfully take a partial or scrolling screenshots on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.